Hello and welcome to another Crown Data Systems training video. Today we're going to take a look at Maps Planning. Planning is an add-on to our Crown Maps software, which will allow you to set up your routes and your drivers either the day before or the morning of, and really optimize how you're going to use your resources to dispatch. So what I have here is my Planning Control dropdown. That's on my Planning tab. And normally what you would do with this is you're going to first take a look at one day in the future here. So I'm going to see everything that's going to be coming up on my next morning. And then what I would do is I would go into my shipment filters and I would take a look and see what I have with appointments. And here I see I have a handful of appointments over in the northern suburbs of Buffalo. And what you can do is grab your fence tool here. So this little icon here, it's a fence. And once you select it, you can make a box, and you can make a couple boxes, and you can just assign these shipments to a driver or a route. In this case, we'll do driver, and I would choose my driver here. Once I have a driver selected, I would just click on OK. So now once I have my appointments assigned, I'm going to take a look at my specials. So if I click on specials here, you'll see that we have a couple of specials in the area. Again, you can use your fencing tool, and you can grab your specials. I'll grab the one over here too. And then right click and then assign driver or route. We'll do driver, and again I would just pick my driver here. I'll select Jeff again here and I would hit OK. So the next morning I'm going to take a look at my map screen and I'm going to flip over to my planning control again. And what I would normally do here is take a look at my routing to see what freight is going to be available to put on the guy's truck before he goes out for the run. So I've already set my appointments and assigned my specials from the day before. Maybe I go in and add a few additional shipments to the guy's route. But then I would go into my routing filters here and I can filter down. So if I know that the Forward Air truck is arriving now and my driver doesn't have to be off the dock for another 45 minutes to make his first appointment, I can take some of this freight and put it onto his truck and get it onto his route. So this is where the routing filters are going to help you out. You can see what's coming in and what you have time to put on your driver's route before he has to leave based on his appointments. So once you fence out the shipments on your map and assign them to the driver, that information is going to transmit back to your Crown system and update those shipments with that driver assigned. Now what we can do is take a look at the dock manifest. So if I go into my drivers here, I'm going to grab Donald Taylor and click on this little manifest button. Once I do that, I'm going to see all of his stops on the map here. Now you can move these around and create the order of the manifest for the driver. You have the option to set the last delivery, and what that's going to do is it's going to route it out for you and set this as the last delivery. So you have a couple of options. You can have the driver end further out and then do his pickups on the way back in. Or if he's doing a couple of short runs, you can set his last delivery close to the base and then have him go back out again. Now once you have this dock manifest routed, you would click on the Order Stops button and it would change the numbers on the map for you. Once everything's set, you can do Save or Save and Print to print out this dock manifest. So once you click the Print button, this is what the manifest is going to look like. Now, this is the dock manifest, so it's not necessarily the one that you're going to give to the driver. It's going to be the manifest that the dock worker uses to load the truck. You're still going to go into the Crown program and print the driver manifest and send the shipments to his mobile data device. So that covers Maps Planning. If you have any questions about the content of this video or any of our other products, please give us a call at 716-651-0977 or email us at crownsupport@crowndatasystems.com.